6 participants. Okay, ready, eh? Okay, anyone? Oh, sorry. Yours is, yeah, for number 1. Okay, well done. What about number 2 and 3? Number 2 and 3 for Zahira. Turn on your computer, Zahira. Don't.
Number 2 is 10 divided by 5,000.
Yes. Zahira, what's the answer for your number 1? Have you gotten? Don't know. What about Sophia? Sophia, you look very sad. Why? Are you okay, Sophia? Okay, number 2, 1. Okay. But you did opposite lah, Shafika. You don't take 5,000 divided by 10. 10 divided by 5,000, different. Okay, yours, okay, thank you, Sophia. What about you as Zahira? It's a dirty one. Okay, thank you for number. Okay, same thing. You and Shafika, be careful. Be careful because your mind automatically do the different thing. No? Instead 10 divided by 5,000, you take 5,000 divided by 10. Cannot do that. Don't allow your mind to do a mental trick on you. Rehana, you got the answer to question number 1? Question number 1, not yet. Okay, Zahira again.
My question number 1 is 1.
1, okay. 2, okay.
And number 2 is 4.
Okay. Okay, 4. Okay, we're going to go through in a moment. We just wait for a few minutes. We need you to complete. Okay, we're going to go through. You should be able to get.
1 is 1, answer 2 is 1.
Okay, number 2 is 1. Okay, so all of you have finished question 1 and 2. So here we go. First of all, let's start with a very simple one. Who is that? Rayana, please look. Now, 3 of you or 4 of you, I do not know, you did this. You saw 10 divided by 5,000, but you did 5,000 divided by 10. Automatically, your mind did this. And then you divide, you get 500. But the question is not saying 5,000 divided by 10. It's 10 divided by 5,000. Why does this happen to you? This happens to you because in earlier years, you have already learned that bigger number divided by smaller number. So you automatically think it's bigger number, smaller number, bigger number divided by smaller number. So when you see smaller number divided by bigger number, you go and switch automatically. So be careful, right? The question is not this, no, the question is not this. You are giving this answer. Answer is 500, but this is wrong answer. The question is given 10 divided by 5,000. So how to do 10 divided by 5,000? Do like that. Cancel 1, cancel 2. But now 1 over 500. Remember, you cannot change to decimal. So you can change this to make it to 10, 100, 1,000, 10,000. So this one you times by 2, you get 1,000. 500 times 2 get 1,000. Times the top also. So you get 2 over 1,000. 2 over 1,000 is what? 1,000 is 1, 2, 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3 zeros. Put a 0 here, put a 2 here, 1, 2. Okay, you see, 2 over 1,000 is 3 zeros. There must be 3 blanks after the dot. 2, you put a 2 here, add, enter 0 all the way there. Okay, I'm going to give you another question for question number 2. You got to make sure you get it correct. Now down here, this other one down here, 3 ones. So you must remember, you just do something like that. Let's say now you put down here as a dot. This is 100, tens. Ones is here. So 3 ones is like that. Put the dot. Then after that will be tens. Then 100. Then 1,000. You see? So 1,000 is 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3. So put 1, 2, 3. So down here 610. 6. 7,000. 1,000 is here. This one's 100. Can get? Do you get it? I'm going to give you another question for question 1 and 2. We do question number 2 first. Another practice for question number 2. Look at the board. Please try this. Here we go. 100 divided by 25,000. What is it in decimal? What is it in decimal? For your info, I just give you a clue. Never mind, you do lah, you do. And then the next one, you do this one. This one. Anyone got answer for question number this one?
0.04.
0.04. 0.04.
20.404.
404. 20.404. Okay. Later must see how you have your working there. Can I see your working, Shafiq? Can I see? Show me your working, Shafiq. Don't have? Then how you get this one? Mentally, Okay, so later I'll show you some the thing. Right, Hannah, have you gotten the answer? No. Sophia? Sophia, I cannot see your head, Sophia. Why you are putting on your forehead, above forehead? I cannot see how you look, what you look. Not that I'm cheeky, you want to see how you look. I need to see whether what you are doing. Okay.
The answer is for the two tens, that one, you know.
Oh, this one down here. Oh, okay.
My answer also same.
Oh, same. Okay. All right. Then what about this one, Shabika? Sophia, what's the answer, Sophia, for the division?
Is it 0.004?
So yours 0.004. Okay. Right, Hannah? Okay, we're going to go through in about 1 minute's time. Meanwhile, those of you who have completed, you can try.
I changed. 0.004.
0.04. Okay. Shafika, your answer is same thing. 0.04. Okay. So Rahana can do? Okay, we do together. Watch. Now, first thing you do is you cancel. There's 2 zeros here. You can cancel. So now you get 1 over 250. You must change the bottom to 10, 100, 1,000, 10,000. What number can it be? 1,000, correct? How you know 1,000? 25 times 4. 25, if it times 4, you can get 100. But this 250, you can times 4, you get 1,000. So you must times 4 to the top also. You get 4 over 1,000. Now, how do you know? You must memorize. Like 5 times 2 can get 10. 25 can times 4, you get 1,000. 25 times 4, you get 1,000. So times 4 times 4 down here is 3 zeros, correct? So put blank, 1, 1, 2, 3. 3 zeros. Down here is 0. 4 put at the end. All right. Add the 0, 0.004. Okay. So well done if you can get this. Now this is correct. 2 tens. Okay. You have, if you don't remember, you write a number down like this. you just write a number down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Just put a dot somewhere here. So the first thing you must identify is your ones. Where's your ones? Always you write $1. If you can't remember, you write $1. $1 is like that. So this is ones lah. So ones is here. So beside the ones is a 10. Over here is 1 over 10, which we call a tenth. All right. Then you have 100. So beside here is 100. Lagging.
Yeah.
Is it me or is it you? The Wi-Fi seems to be okay. Is it lagging for you, Zahira? Am I lagging? No, I think it's your side, maybe your home. So down here, same thing. It's thousandth. You just identify the one, and then you can do all the rest. Once you identify the one, to this one, 10, 100,000. Then this one is 10th, 100th, 1,000, which in 1 over 10, and so on. Okay? So down here now, you just put the number. Tens. Tens is 2 spaces to the left of the dot. So I put a dot, 1, 2. And then I can put down here until 1,000. 1,000 got 3 zeros. 1,000 got 3 zeros, right? So I put 1, 2, 3 after the dot. Now I feel 2 tens. This is tens place. Ones, no ones. No ones, I put 0 lah. Okay. Then 10th, 10th for 10. 100, no 100, put a 0. 1,000, 4,000. So this is your answer. Congratulations if you've gotten it. Okay, we will move on to the question down here. You will watch the video. If you can't understand, you got to watch the video. Question number 3. What is your answer? Anyone? Larger than right angle, that means larger than 90 degrees. Okay, thank you very much, Miss Sophia. Sophia, you can do the next one. Okay, thank you very much, Raihana. Okay, very simple method to find out larger or smaller. Zahira, what's your answer? Number 3. Zahira? No. What about si Sophia? I can't see Sophia. So not Sophia. Where is Shafika? Missing? Oh, trying to enter again. Okay. Okay, Shafika, you okay, Shafika? We are doing question number 3. Yeah. So let us try question number 3. Okay, thank you, Zahira. And what about Shafika? You're the last one for question number 3. Can? Okay, well done. All right. For in case you are not so sure, you can use a card with a rectangular thing. If you don't have, then how? Well, use your exam paper. Use your exam paper. Your exam paper has like that, right? So just put it at the angle here. Yeah, this is bigger. Okay, this one you cover the whole angle. You see, you cover the whole angle, so smaller. So you can use just a piece of paper to find out about right angle, bigger or smaller. Okay, so congratulations. So the answer for question number 3 is 2. I just run through 2. Then just now is 4, and earlier on is 3. Okay, so you try again. If you get it wrong, take note in your notebook which one you get wrong. Try again. And you know that most of the exam papers have very similar questions. So now for question number 4, Sophia, what's your answer for question number 4? Anyone? 2. Okay, let's see.
Mr. Shaheed,
Yes.
can I throw something?
Yeah, you can throw, no problem. Just carry on. 2, okay, well done. I'm not saying it's right or wrong, but at least you give me an answer. That means you have been drinking, but you don't know what you're drinking. 3. Raihana, what about you? Raihana is out. Raihana, is she out? Raihana, what's your answer for question number 4? It's a guess. It's a guess, that thing. Just make a guess. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3. Okay. Now, this is now, I'm going to show you. This here.
General knowledge.
Yeah, no, but you must know what. Imagine you don't know. This thing now, down here, is a tablet, right? This tablet, this is like 1 gram, 1 milliliter lah. Can see, yeah? No, I'm just giving an example. This actually flex it all. Now, you have now something like this. This, they say, this bottle, this one is like half mineral water you buy, is half a liter. Look at the amount. 500 ml. Can see that? 500 ml. 500 ml. So now that's 500 ml. So your packet drink normally is 250 or 200. This one now, this solution, how much is it? You don't show. This one might be like your drink lah, right? A drink maybe 200.
I got packet drink.
Packet drink. Can you take a packet drink and show us what's the thing? Okay, we just want to see. You must know how much it weighs. Now, what about weight? What about weight? One piece of paper, what's the weight? Is it 10 grams, 100 grams, 1,000 grams? Anyone? One piece of paper. Okay, can you show us the figure? Show us the figure. You know where it is? Where? No, show us the number 250 mil. There's one number 250 mil. You must put at the hole. Up, some more, up, some more. Some more up. Cannot see lah. You are showing, where is the number? The bottom. Show the bottom. Can you see 250 mil? So, okay, now we look at the question now. Thank you. We look at the question now. So this drink now, it cannot 20 mil. 20 mil is a small cup you drink. You'll be complaining, teachers, there's so little. There's just, okay, that's obat lah. Obat, you take obat, 1 spoon, 10 mil, 15 mil. Normally 1 spoon is your 5 mil. You buy teh tarik, they give you a spoon. That one is 5 milliliters. The small spoon. The bigger one might be 10, 15 milliliters. So you cannot be buying 50 cents and you get 1 spoon of water. Alamak, teruk lah. Okay, so here we go. The next one. So answer down here is 200 mil. Okay, if it's 2,000, it's 2 mineral water. 1 bottle can be 1.5 liters. So that's slightly more than that. Okay, here we go. Question number 5. Sorry, question number 5. Thank you, Miss Sophia. Well, then you can do the next question, Sophia. So how much you get for paper 2, Sophia? Got your result there?
For what?
Your mock test. Paper 2.
Wait,
Do you pass?
No. But for paper 1, I got 34/43.
Oh, 34, 43. And then?
Paper
Number
2,
5, number 1.
The answer number 1, okay. Then paper 2?
I haven't.
Paper 2, I did very bad.
Bad, okay. Maybe you can show me the
Got
marks later.
answer 1.
Answer number 1. Okay, all of you answer number 1. Well done. Okay, well done. In case you're not so sure, correct Zahira also answer number 1. Here we go. We have, all right. 32 apples, so they have 32 minus 24, you get 8. So there's 8 red apples, and red apples is to green, 24. Divide by 8, 1 is to 3. So correct, the answer is number 1. What about number 6? Number 6. Anyone? Smaller, smaller. Okay, thank you. Miss 3, 8. Okay, I'm going to show you now shortly. We are try. You can try some more. Zahira, you got answer, Zahira, for question number 5, 6. What's your answer? Sophia, you got to try again. Sophia, the answer is incorrect. Okay, thank you, Miss Shafika. So now they give you different sorts of that thing. You got to find using a method. Okay, I'm going to show you. Okay, thank you. Thank you, Sophia. Now Zahira and Raihana. Okay, number 3. Okay. All right, Zahira. Can I show you the thing? We have another 5 more seconds before I show you. They are comparing it to 3/8. I will expand my screen in a moment. Let me copy the question first. So now you have a few numbers. Half, you have 6/16, you have 9/23, and the last one you have 12/33. And they want you to find which one is smaller than 3/8. Okay. Which of these numbers come? Look to the screen. Look to the screen, please. Diana, look at the screen. They want to find which one is smaller than 3/8. So I have to do comparison. So how to do? Very simple. You want to find a number that is smaller than this. Okay. So let us take the challenger. I imagine boys like to play those. What game is that? The one with Mortal Kombat and all that. So you have 2 persons challenging. So now 2 fractions will challenge one another. Okay, half and 3/8. Which one is bigger, which one is smaller? This one you can times by 4, times by 4. You get 4/8. This one 3/8. So this is bigger. So this is bigger. It's out. We want smaller. We want smaller. So we use Mortal Kombat style. They have to fight 1-to-1. So now 2 of you say is 6/16. Let us try. 6/16. How to make the denominator say, oh, this one can. Can times by 2. Can times by 2. You get 6/16 also. Both of them are the same lah. So this is also out. Can you see what I'm doing? I'm doing one by one. So now they say the answer is number 3. Let us see. Even Sophia, the first attempt says is number 3. Let us see. Now down here, bottom, can you, sorry, not 23. Bottom, you cannot make the same. You can actually, you times it by 8, you times it by 23. But I show you one short method. One shorter method. You see, if you have the same number, let's say 3/4 and 3/7, which one is bigger? Is this? This one is smaller. Why? This one now you have a pizza. You cut into 4 parts. You cut into 4 parts. So you have 3 parts. Oh, very big. This one now you cut into 7 parts. 7 parts, All right. So you have 3 only. It's not even half. Can you see? So if both the top number is the same, bottom number is bigger, this is smaller. This one is bigger. You understand that? So now, if I cannot make the bottom the same, let me try to make the top the same. Look, I can times this by 3, times this by 3. This one is 9/24. 9/24. 23. Yes. Okay, 9 over 24. This is number what? 6, huh? Hold on. Did I copy wrongly? Just hold on. This is number 6. Number 6.
Can I go take something?
Yes, take whatever you need to take. So 9 over 23 is bigger than 9 over 24. Remember? We did the comparison. If the bottom number is bigger than, that means it's smaller. Let's say now 1 over 2 and 1 over 4. Bottom number is bigger, top number the same.
1 over 4.
1 over 4 smaller, right? Smaller, right? This one bigger. So this one now, the bigger number is the smaller one. So this is also out. Now if you're confused, use your calculator and do this. Okay, we're going to compare now. Use your calculator and we prove to you. Okay, we take 23 times 8. 8 times 23 times 23 times this one times 8 times 8. So how much do you get? You get the bottom the same number. Top you get 72 and top you get 69. Can you see? This is smaller over the same denominator. So you can also do it that way. But I showed you one other method. Sometimes in paper 1, you don't have enough time. So instead of comparing the same denominator, you compare the same numerator. If you have the same numerator, let's say now you have the same numerator. Let me test you. You got same numerator. Let's say 7 over 106. 7 over 100. Okay, we're going to ask you. Zahira, which one is bigger? Which one is smaller? 7 over 106 is bigger or smaller than 7 over 100? Which one? 7 over 6 is bigger or smaller?
Smaller.
Smaller. Sophia, you agree? Smaller, she said. Smaller. Shafika, you agree? Is this smaller or bigger? Which one is smaller? This one. So if you understand this, 2 ways of doing this question. One is to have the same denominator. The other one, you can make it the numerator the same. So by finding the numerator the same, what happened? I discovered that all 3 are out. So this is the only one now. So let us see whether 12 over 33. You have 3 over 8, 12 over 33. Now I can times by 8, I can times by 33, but a very long method because I cannot use my calculator. So but I times this by 4, I get 12. You see, I times this by 4. So I get 12 over 32. 12 over 33. Remember we learned whichever is the same number on top, bottom number, the denominator is bigger, this is the smaller one. So this is smaller than this. Do you get it? Again, I repeat the method now. We are dealing now. You can make the numerator, denominator the same. You times this by 4. You times this by 8. You times this by 33. But the number become very big. You might waste time calculating the number. So one short way is to make the numerator the same. Once you get the numerator the same, 12 over 32. Now look at the denominator. Whichever has a bigger denominator is a smaller number. How do we know this? Half, same denominator, same numerator over, let's say 100. This is much bigger than this. How do you know? Because this is a smaller number, this is a bigger number. So use that rule. Okay, that's how some of the students do without making the denominator the same. You all look bored already. Don't be bored. Okay, that's a method. So the answer down here, no one got it correct. Answer is number 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. Okay, we'll move on to the next one now. Okay, 7 and 8. Okay, can you do 7 and 8? Anyone for question number 7? Anyone? Okay, thank you, Miss Shafika. Shafika, you tell me what's the question for answer for question number 8. Sophia, you know how to do question 7? What's your answer, Sophia? Don't know. Okay, thank you very much. Congratulations, Shafika. How did you do for your test is not yet over, right? Is it over here? How you pass now? Later you scan me the paper. Take a photo of the paper and show me which part. By now, all of you should be passing paper 1 at least. Paper 1 you must pass, and then we go for paper 2 after this. Zahira can do? What's the answer for question number 7? Okay, very easy, very easy. Come on, you can do this. Okay, we'll give you 1 more minute. Yes.
If 10 cm minus 3 cm equals to the
Base.
yeah.
Yes. So this is your triangle,
So
right?
what's the height?
Yeah, the height. So this sort of triangle, you have an imaginary height. When this type of triangle, what's the imaginary height? Okay, I will show you the imaginary height down here. How to find an imaginary height when you have the sengit triangle. Sometimes you have a sengit triangle. So what do we do? So we are going to show you over here. Sorry, someone sent me a message. I cannot see. So, okay. So let us see. You have a sengit triangle like that.
Mr. Shaheed,
Yes.
Raihan's answer is number 2.
Number 2. Okay, we come to that in a moment. Let us see. Number 2 is how many cm? What's the answer for number 2? Okay, never mind. Down here now, you need your height to be, this is the base. Now, a triangle can have 3 bases. This can be the base, this can be the base, this can be the base. Okay, so how to find the height? If you take this to be the base, move the height along the base. Make sure it's 90 degrees. When you reach here, it's more than 90 degrees, so this cannot be the height of here. If you draw the height, it's only until here. So draw a dotted line to make an imaginary line, but along the same as the base, imaginary line as the base down here. And then draw it up, push it until you reach the highest point down here. So this down here now is the height, which in the diagram is how many cm? From here to here. So although the base only reach until here, doesn't matter. Your height is here. So if you look at the diagram over here, you will get what? You will get how many cm now here? This is the base now. Sophia, how much is this, Sophia? How many cm? It's a rectangle, so it's same as here. So you can find your area. Okay, so we show you how to find area in case you're down here. So your base is, your formula is half times base times height, right? So half, okay, half is tengah lah, half times, what's your base? Your base is 7 cm. Times the height is 4. Right down here is 4. 5 is sengit. Mine must be 90 degrees. This one is 90 degrees.
Just now I forgot 2 times half.
You must times half. So you get 28 divided by 2, you get 14, right? So the answer is 14 for here. Okay, this is 14. Now we go on to the next one. The next one is quite easy also. Altogether, how many students are there, Raihana? Altogether, how many students, Raihana? Raihana is not there. Total 120 plus 80 students. Altogether, you got 200. And how many of them are girls? 120. So 120 over total 200 times by 100. Yeah, equals to 60%. Okay, this is easy. If you find you are getting stuck now, okay, I roughly know who is getting stuck, but I want you to take ownership of your learning. You tell your parent that you need more sessions. I'll teach you in a smaller group even it's like one person or something. So if you feel, now it's really small. But even now it's small, some of you are embarrassed. Embarrassed what? You don't want your friend to know that you don't understand. You will pretend to hide your misunderstanding. You rather look as if you understand and you don't understand. This happens. I teach so many students, it's like that. So if you really feel malu, then I won't be able to teach you well. So if that is happening to you, just tell your mom or your dad, say, I would want to have a one-to-one session. Then your parents will contact me and then I will clean it up. But I can't do it for everyone every day. Okay? I can do it once, twice for some of you, but I want you to catch up. Okay? Because some of you, I can see, okay, you are afraid of other people knowing you don't know. Don't feel afraid. This is where you are supposed to improve. So if you're not improving now, you better tell your parent. Okay? Cannot. I do not know whether you can or cannot. Okay, let's try. Here we go. We do the next one, number 9. Same number. 4. You get 4. Okay.
I don't know how to do this.
Okay. So we start with something smaller first. You have 20 cents and you have 50 cents. Okay. Let us try now down here. I'll give you another question, okay? So whenever you get stuck, you will notice that I will give you a simpler question. So imagine now you have, I do not know how many coins, but same number of 20-cent coins, same number of 50-cent coins. So this 50-cent coins, this 20-cent coins. That means I can make it one set, you know. One set, because you got same number, I can arrange one 50-cent coin with one 20-cent coin. All right? So imagine now, I group them like that, group as one group as another group, and then finally I found out I got $7 altogether. And the question is asking, how many 50-cent and how many 70-cent coins, 20 cents coin do you have? So down here, I go by group. Okay, let me explain. One group of 50 cent and 20 cents is how many cents? One 50 cent, one 20 cent is how many cents?
70 cents.
70. You know 70, how many sets will you get $7? Second one, third. 7, you can take $7, which is 700 cents, divide by 70. What do you get? 7 divided by 70. 70 divided by 7 is 10 sets. So there will be 10 50-cent coins. 10 50-cent coins is equals to $5. And another 10 20-cent coins, which is equals to $2. Can you see they add up to $7? But I got to go in slow motion now. So one set, why am I counting in terms of set? Because they tell me the number of 50-cent coins is the same as the number of 20-cent coins. So let's say now 50 cent marry 20 cent. I make them one couple. Can, right? One set. 50 cent marry 20 cent. I make them one couple. So I have equal number of sets. Equal number of sets. So I can put them into sets. One set, the value is 70 cents. Now they tell me the total value is $7, which is 700 cents. Divide by one set is 70 cents. I can find the number of sets. So I divide 70 divided by 7 is 10 sets. 10 sets means 10 50-cent coins, 10 20-cent coins. So you have 10 50-cent coins, 10 20-cent coins. I got 20 coins. Got 10 coins, 10 coins, 20 coins. So now you try the next one. I'll give you another number, okay? You tell me now, same question. Same question, eh? I got 50-cent coins, same number as 20-cent coins. Okay? I put them in set. I put them all in sets. And then I found out the total value is $10.50. Can you find out how many 20-cent and 50-cent coins we have? First, find the number of set. Find the number of set.
Is it find the total number of coins?
Yes, total number of coins. What's the total number of coins?
My answer is 73.6. 73.5.
You can have a point. How come the coin got point?
Oh, 74.
74. What, nearest? Means half a coin. Okay, let's see. Answer is wrong.
Calculator.
You can use calculator, no problem. You can use calculator for this one. You must understand the concept first. Is it tough? Okay, it's tough. Stop. I give you a very simple one. The total value is $1.40. How many coins altogether? Same number of 50 cents, same number 70 cents. Well done, Shafika.
My answer is 9.
9. Hey.
Wait,
Okay, how many? You have the same number of 50-cent coins. Same. Okay, so we do together. Watch, huh? Now we ask Sophia. You got 1 50-cent coin, 1 20-cent coin. What's the value?
70.
Good. You got 2 50-cent coins, 2 20-cent coins. What's the value?
70.
Yeah, but 2 then now you got 2 now. 2. What's the value?
Oh, $1.40.
Hey, $1.40. So how many coins you have? 1, 2, 3, 4. Correct? Not? So now how to find 4 coins? Well, we count in terms of set. This is 1 set. This is 2 sets. 1 set, the value is 70 cents. $1.40 is 140 cents or cents. I divide lah. Divide. 14 divided by 7, 2. 2 sets. Oh, 1 set, 2 set. 1 set got 2 coins. So 2 set must have 4 coins. You get it?
Yes.
It's still not yet click. It's still not yet click for some of you. Okay, never mind. No problem. Okay, for
Wait, so you just the total amount divide by
70.
the set lah.
Yes. Then you get the number of sets. Then you still must times 2 because 1 set has 2 coins. You must times 2. Okay, you can already do that question. I'll give you another one. For those of you still don't get it, I'll give you another one. Okay, $2.80. How many 50 cents? How many coins altogether? Okay, congratulations, Miss Shafika. Shafika, you can do the question really. Can you see the question? You cannot. You have you can download the, okay, I will give you, the total value, Shafika, is $42. Zahira, what's your answer?
For the 280.
280, yes. For 280, how much do you get? How many coins do you get? Do you have?
350 cent, 220 cent.
Okay, but the number of 50 cent and 20 cent is the same. If 350 cent, 220 cent, how much is it?
450 cent, 420 cent.
Good. So altogether, how many coins?
8.
Good. Well done. Well done. So very simple, huh? Don't worry, okay. Zahira, don't worry. Don't panic, Zahira. Zahira, one set is how much, Zahira?
Is the answer 24?
Okay, come in just a moment, just a moment. Zahira, what's the one set is how many cent? 150 cent, 120 cent, berapa sen? 70, yeah. I cannot hear you, but 70 cent. So you take what's the total value? 280 cent, no dot, divided by 70 cent. Now how to cancel the zero, cancel the zero. 28 divided by 7 is 4. This is 4 sets. So you got another 2 more sets here. 50, 20, 50, 20. So one set has 2. 4 sets, there must be 4 times 2, 8 coins. Okay, now we try, never mind, later I'll give you other questions. Now we try the question here, which is now this Justin Bieber. He has 20 cent coins and 50 cent coins, but they say is same number. Total value is $42. Total value is $42. Shafika, what's your answer, Shafika? Not yet. You can do it. Look, you can later. I'll give you my own questions. That's why you must visit the videos. If you don't visit the videos, you'll forget. Shafika, you got answer already. No. Okay. Is that sets or coins? Shafika, is that sets or coins? Ask yourself. They want to find coins, no? How many coins altogether? Zahira can do? Sophia can do? Kitty Cat can do? Kitty Cat got you correct lah. Sophia? Okay, we will do together. We do together. All right, we do together. Sophia, what is one set? What's the value of one set?
70.
So now you got $42. How many cents is this? Berapa sen? Berapa sen? Berapa sen?
420.
You just remove the dot lah, become 4,200.
Okay.
Okay, now what to do? Just take the value. Zahira, take the value divided by value of one set. Then you get your answer. Cancel. What times 7 equals to 42? What times 7 equals to 6? Add a 0. 60 sets. The answer is not 60, yeah? 60 sets. So 60 set, one set, there's 2 coins. 120 coins.
Oh, can we do another one?
I'll give my own question. I have to give my own question. Otherwise, it's the same one now. My own question.
Wait.
Okay, you see first, all right? Ali.
Zero.
Huh?
Why you put zero there?
0 where? Here.
No, the
Which one?
the 4200.
Why? Okay. $1 is 100 cents. Oh yeah, $1. I just removed the 100. 100 cents. $5. How many cents? I removed 500 cents. Now $42. How many? 4,200 cents. You can do like that, okay? Then after that, you divide by the value of one set. Okay, so we are moving. Don't worry, you can watch the video. I will upload later. Now, here we go. Ali, he saves, okay, money in his kitty bank. You know what's a kitty bank, right? Because he's a Muslim, he doesn't like piggy bank. He said, tak halal. Now, he puts in the same number of 10 cent, 20 cent, and 50 cent coins. Okay? Now, the value of the coins is, I'm going to give you a number here. I want you to find how many sets. How many sets of 10 cent, 20 cent, 50 cent coins are there? First, how many sets first? So now down here, the value of his money is, hold on, $12. Find how many sets of 10, 20, and 50 cent coins are there? One set. You put one set first. You find what's the value of one set.
$80.
Good. The value of one set is 80 cents. Well done. But I'm not asking you for value of one set. $12 is how many sets?
That's like 50 cents. Never see.
Don't tell Miss Shafika. I think you will get answer because you got answer. Don't tell the rest. You just show me by fingers lah.
Find the set, is it?
Find how many sets first. First you find how many sets, then later on you find how many coins altogether. What's the answer? 10.
10.
Good. So how many coins are there, miss? Zahira, how many coins?
5.
How come 5? You got 15 sets.
30.
30. No, one set got how many coins?
3.
Good.
80.
You got 15 set, what you say? 15 sets, how many coins? Use a calculator, find out lah.
Wait, just now the first one
Yes.
is 80.
80 cent is one set. 80 cent, one set.
Then
So then,
45 coins.
yes, well done. Okay, Sophia, your head is
45.
down. I don't know what you're doing here, Sophia. I cannot see you. I miss looking at your nose, below your nose. I cannot see what you're doing. Now, down here now, you find out what is one set. We do step by step, okay? I'll give you another question after this. One set is 10 cent, plus 20 cent, plus 50 cent, 80 cent. This is one set. We want to find out how many sets are there in $12. So now don't take $12 divided by 80. You cannot take, must make same unit. Dollar divided by cent. Cannot, you can't confuse. Must have the same amount. So $12 is, remove the dot, you become 1,200 cent. So 1,200 cent divided by 80. Cancel the zero, cancel the zero. You say, don't know how to do, okay, can reduce some more. 120 divided by 8. Divide by 2, divide by 2. You get 60 over 4. You can divide, you get 15. 15 sets. One set, there's 3 coins. 15 set, 15 times 3, you get 45. You get it? Get it or not? Mama, don't know whether you get it now. Korek mata and all that. Sophia, you get it or Sophia? Sophia, you get it, Sophia? Yes, we try another one, okay? Now same type question, but I give you a different amount. Okay?
Wait, Shaheed, can I put something outside?
Yeah,
first?
good. Put. 1760. Find the number of sets and the number of coins. Zahira, you are not allowed to say out the answer. Okay, because I think you know how to do. Later you just show me by fingers. Now you become champion, yeah, Zahira. See, she frowning. See, how dare you call me champion? I'm not champion. How many sets, Miss Shafika?
66.
66 coins altogether. Or 66 sets.
Set 80.
One set is 80 cents, yes. How many sets are there?
66.
66, okay. You agree, huh? 66 coins. Haven't do? You don't know how to do? Your voice is so soft, lah.
Answer 22.
22. Okay, so 22 sets. How many coins are there? 66. What Shafika says is correct, huh? But Shafika is confused when I ask her how many sets. One set is 80 cents. Altogether is 22 sets, correct? What about Raihana and Raihana, can get it? What about Sophia? I think Sophia went to not take something. She said got to take something. I think she went to throw something. Okay,
Why is it a kitty bank?
Huh?
Why is it a kitty bank?
Because Ali is a Muslim, he said, I do not want to have a piggy bank because I don't eat pork. So he says a kitty bank. Okay. Okay, we got to go back to the thing. I'm going to have to explain now, lah. Ken? Okay, here we go. So one set, we take 10 cents plus 20 cents plus 50 cents. How much is this, Raihana? 10, 20, 50. How many cents?
80.
80. So one set of coins, we count in terms of set because they are same number of 10 cent, 20 cent, and 50 cent coins. So the value is $17.60. How many cents is this? 1760. Divided by 80 to get the number of sets. 0, 0. You get 22 lah. 22 sets. One set is 3 coins. 22 sets, you just times by 3, you get 66 coins. And that's it. Okay, there will be more questions like this later on. Okay, in the other school paper. So let's try. So this one now, yeah. Here we go. 10 we don't do. Can we do? Okay, okay. 11 to don't do 11 first. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. You do as homework. Okay. We'll go to next paper. Booklet B. Okay, you can use calculator for this one. Cannot use calculator. Cannot use, not yet. This is still paper 1.
Shaheed, is it 10 over 15?
10 over 15 can still be brought down to lowest terms, but I think the answer is not 10 over 15. Which one is 10 over 15? 2/3 is 10 over 15, is it?
No, the answer.
All right, I think you are not correct.
No.
Show me your working. Show me your working. Show me. Come.
Wait, I don't.
Okay.
Is it 11 over 15?
11, 15. Okay.
Yeah.
You'll see whether yours is correct. Rahana, what's your answer? Oh, Rahana has already messaged me. I'm lagging. Okay, lagging got 2 meanings. Huh? One, you say I'm lagging behind means I'm slower than the rest. But what you mean your internet is lagging? Okay, Zahira, what's your answer? It's basic one, this one simple ones. Okay, you have to be able to do.
My answer is 11 over 15.
Okay, 2% 11 over 15. Zahira, what's your answer? And what and Rahana? Okay, we do it straight. We do it together. Okay. Okay, Rahana, what do? We change this to times 5 times 3 times 3 times 5. So you get 2 wholes minus 10 over 15 minus 9 over 15. So you can do one by one. Remember, 1 whole, 15, 15. Remember this method. We change this 2 to 1 whole. And then this one is 2 wholes, right? Another whole. So you can do like that. Then you minus 10 over 15 first. What do you get? Oh, you get your balance of 1 whole and 4/15. Minus 9 over 15. Now you change this 1 whole to 15 over 15. Okay, if this is confusing, we change this whole thing to 30 over 15. Okay, how to get 30? 1 whole can be 15 over 15. So 2 whole you times by 2 lah, you get 30 over 15. Minus 10 over 15, you get 20 over 15. Minus 9 over 15, you get 11 over 15, and that's the answer. Okay? You can change this. If you're not so sure how to change whole to how many over 15, very simple. Ask yourself, 1 whole is 7 over 7, or 8 over 8, or 9 over 9, or girl over girl. Same thing. Okay, if there's such a thing as girl over banana over banana, apple over apple, that's 1 whole. So down here you're using 15. So take 15 over 15. That's 1 whole. But you want 2 whole? 2 whole you times 2 on top. Don't times 2 bottom. 2 on top, you get 30 over 15. Then you minus. Okay, we move on to the next one. The next one, work out what's the answer. 40.4 times 50. Can? I'll show you two methods. Anybody? No using calculator. What's the answer, Shafika?
20200.
20200. Okay, so she says the answer is 20,200. Okay, let's see. Now let us, Shafika, where are you, Shafika? Disappear. I just want to talk to you, disappear. Now imagine what roughly $40.40. Roughly, do you think it's $40? Roughly. Can roughly $40. 40 times 50, what's the answer? What's the answer?
2000.
Good. Okay, now I give a number bigger than 40.4. I take 50 times 50. 50 times 50, how much? 50 times 50. 50 times 50. Someone is missing.
25,000.
25,000 or 2,500?
Oh, 2,500.
So 50 times 50, 2,500. Yours $40.40 times 50, you get 20,000. Impossible lah. 50 is bigger than 40.4, correct?
Mr. Shaheed,
Yes. What
Can I
someone is
leave?
missing?
can I leave and join back because it's lagging?
Sure. But someone else is, where is Sophia?
I also don't know.
Okay, you can leave and join back. Sophia is gone. So you can estimate by that way, Shafika. 50 times 50 is 2,500. How can something less than 50 times 50 just 25,000? Okay, we have Raihana.
Is answer 202?
Yeah,
202.
202.
Okay, let us 202. Let us see whether you're right. Okay, you said 202. Let us see whether you're correct. Now, first of all, that means you all do not sure how to multiply by this one. Look. Okay, imagine there's no dot. Imagine there's no dot, okay? We are not going to multiply the 0, right? Because all is going to be 0. So we multiply the 5 down here, all right? Okay, Shafika, 4 times 5. 4 times 5?
25.
25. 4 times 5, not 25.
Oh, 4 times 5? 20.
20. Then bring the 2 up, okay? Then 0 times 5, 0 plus 2, 20. Then 4 times 5, 20 again. Right? Is it correct?
Yes.
Yes, but actually we need to add a 0 first. I forgot to add a, we again, one more time again. Sorry. Because this is the second digit, we need to add a 0. Remember? First digit will start on here. So now second, we're going to times the second 0. We have to start with, we're going to times this one, 10. You got to put a 0 first. 4 times 5, 20. Carry the 2. 0 times 5, 0 plus 2, 20. 4 times 5, 20. So this is why you get 2,200. But you must count the number of decimal place. 1. Put a dot here. So 2020. Method number 1. I'll show you method number 2. Method number 2, you can do like this. Okay, this is for more advanced. Okay. Now, down here got decimal point. Sometimes, when times by 10, do you remember 40.4? If it times by 10, you shift 1 decimal place. You all know that? You know that? If you times by 10, you shift one decimal place, you all know that, right? Hello, Zahira, you know that? How you look confused? Now, okay, I give you now, let's say, 40.4 times 10. What's the answer? I shift by one decimal place, 404. Correct? So now I break this up. 40.4 times 10 times 5. Go 10 times 5 is 50. Watch why I do this. Easier for me. Watch. 40 times 10 is 404. Now I need to get 404 times 5. Now I know how to do. Correct or not? How come you look so blur? Zahira, you confused? Rahana confused? I show you again. I'll show you again down here. Watch. 40 times 4 times 50. Some students find it difficult. So I say, break this up. What is 50? 10 times 5. So watch, times 40.4. So I do 40.4 times 10 first. Shift one decimal place, I get 404 times 5. Then I do long division. 404 times 5. Can you get it now? 404 times 5. 4 times 5, 20. 20, 20, bring down the 2. Okay. 4 times 5, 20. Okay, 20, 20. Okay, so we have to give you another one because you don't seem to be sure. So we try now. 21.05 times 600. My suggestion is break this first. 200 times 6. It's easier for you. Or you want to do straight, up to you. Can? Can do?
My answer is 12630.
Good. Can you get it now? You sound so weak already, Zahira. What happened? The way you say is, you gonna. Is it difficult? But you find this method easier like this? You split it up? You try. Those of you not who you can do this long division, long.
If you never put the zero behind, wrong, is it?
If you don't put zero behind, means what?
The answer is 12630. If you never put a zero,
That means you
The
put
answer is what?
1263. You right.
no.
Yep.
What?
Then?
Cannot add it or not?
How? What? 1, 2,
3.
6, 3, like that.
Yeah.
Wrong, because this
What's
1000.
the answer?
The answer is this. Okay.
12630.
This.
Yeah. Okay. So now let us see. Yeah. We do step by step. We do now long multiplication first. Okay. Very simple. You starting with 2 zeros. You don't need to put the 2 zeros first. Put the 2 zeros first. 5 times 3, 30. Carry the 3. Write the 0 here. 0 times 6, 0 plus the 3, 3. Right? Then 1 times 6 is 6. 2 times 6 is 12. How many?
1263000.
Okay, there's so many 0, right? Count the number after the dot. 1, 2. Any more? No more. So cancel. 1, 2, cancel. Cancel out. Put a dot here. So this one is out.
2630.
Yes. Or you can do by this one like that. 600 is 100 times 6. So I do 2105 times 100 first, then times 6. I shift 120, 1020. So this is the same as 2105 times 6. If you find it's easier lah, 2105 times 6, you will get 5 times 6, 30, carry 1, 3, yeah? 1 times 6, 6, 12. Can you see? You get the answer straight. You want to do this method, no problem. But remember, if you're multiplying, how many zero? Add the zero first. Last question, last question. Okay. Can you do this one? I think Sophia's battery is flat lah. Either that or she's fed up with me.
Where's Hannah?
Huh? Rahana, she says she's lagging, so she's
No, she still has.
yeah, but she's lagging, so if she use a video, it'll be slower.
I'm here.
Rahana, okay, it's okay. You turn off your video, no problem. Okay, no problem. Understand. If it's lagging, that means you need to use your own phone actually next time.
Answer is 2802.
Okay, let's see whether the rest get it also. Which method you use? Use this times 100 times 2 or use the time?
500 times 2.
Okay, can also. But you must also learn the other one. Huh? The other method you have to learn also, no? Okay, you have to learn like that also. This one is Zahira. Which level is this?
Is it 2802?
2802. Okay, we're waiting for Rahana. What's your answer? Okay, this is what level is this, Zahira? Primary?
4.
Primary 4. So what happened? That means at primary 4, some of you did not master this. I said now at primary 6, we got to do cleaning very fast. So you're feeling now why maths is so difficult only for this year. If you make the effort to work hard, you will clear this. Okay, Rahana, I'm going to go through. Let us see now. Zahira, you tell me how to do this. There's 1020. What am I going to do?
So many wires now.
I put 20 lah. Here first. So the 20, I put the 20 here. 1 times 2. 2. 0 times 2.
0.
4 times 2. 2 times 1 times 2.
2.
Count the number of digits after the dot. 1, 2. So 1, 2. Put a dot here. So you can just remove it because it's 0. 2802. It's the same thing like this. So you do like that. You change this 100 times 2. Times 100 times 2. 100 is shift 1, shift 2. So it's the same as 1401 times 2. So you can get 1 times 2, 2. 4 times 2, 8. 0 times 2, 0. 1 times 2, 2. Okay, we move on. We move on to the next question, okay? We only got 10 minutes left. Okay, here we go. Oh, I wrote to Sophia. Sophia, you left us all alone. Okay, here we go. A ruler costs twice as much as an eraser. The cost of 2 rulers and an eraser is $7.
Hello.
How come 50 times 2 is 100? I mean, try that. Try.
Itu Shaheed, I write one eh.
No, but what does it mean?
What?
What does it mean?
Like 50 cents.
50 cents for one
I don't
eraser, is
understand.
it?
Yeah, wait.
Okay, now we do. Hey, don't write. Come, we show you now. This one very easy. Yeah?
I can't.
Not,
Wait, I'm thinking first.
okay, now one ruler cost of one ruler is equals to how many eraser? Cost of 2 erasers. So let us count by the by what is cheaper. Now they say down here, you look down here, what do they say? Cost of 2 rulers and 1 eraser. Let's count 2 rulers is cost of 2 rulers is same as how many erasers? Cost of 2 rulers is the same as how many erasers? Cost of how many? 1 ruler is like 2 erasers. 2 rulers is how many? Anyone? Shafika? Can? Zaira? Rahana? Cost of 1 ruler is the same as cost of 2 erasers. So the cost of 2 rulers is the same as how many erasers?
4.
4. So now, if they're gonna buy cost of 2 rulers and 1 eraser, it will be the same as these 2 rulers is the same as 4 erasers. Then 1 eraser. So this will be the same as cost of 5 erasers. Do you understand this one? Can? Oh my goodness, you all are drained. Huh? You are drained. You are too tired already. Oh my god. But it's good. Never mind. We will show you on the board here. Okay. Now they say. Now I do it like that. Okay. One ruler is the same as 2 erasers. Now he bought how many rulers? He bought 2 rulers and 1 eraser. Okay, so I'm going to divide into parts lah. I'm going to divide. This is now ruler. One part like that. Eraser is half lah. Why? I cut this now. Oh yeah, eraser is 1 unit. Ruler is 2 units. Correct lah. Correct not? Eraser 1 unit. Ruler 2 units. Now got 2 rulers now, so I draw another 2 unit lah. So altogether they say is
$7.
$7.
Why you
$7.
find 1 unit?
You find 1 unit lah.
Divide by 5.
Divide by 5. Okay, so 5 units, $7 or 700 cents lah. 1 unit, 700 divided by 5. So now 70 divided by 5, you get 14 at 140. 140 for 1 unit. And they ask you what's the cost of eraser.
$1.40 now.
$1.40.
Come on, change the 70 to 700.
You don't want is okay. You can do because this one now you cannot use calculator. So now some of you saying 7 divided by 5, 7 divided by 5.
Chalo, later can hear story.
Story we do at
Can you do another question like this?
yeah, okay, we do another question like this. Okay, now I give you another question like this.
I think this does this. You see the picture?
What? Sorry?
Does this. No.
1 ruler.
So what's the answer?
Answer $1.40. Because it takes $7 divided by 5 units, you get 1.4. 1.4 is $1.40. Has one ruler costs the same as 3 pencils. Sophia bought 3 rulers and 2 pencils for $22. Find the cost of 1 pencil. You can draw the model I want to. Anyone?
$5.50.
For 1 pencil. Mahal lah. You see, 1 pencil, let's say now we look.
Wait. 2 pence.
You say you want the cost of 1 pencil or 2 pencil?
1 pencil, 1 pencil.
This is 0.5
0.2.
50 cent.
Okay, we try. That's now you say 50 cent. 50 cent.
0.50.
50 cent. So the ruler costs how much?
3 times.
So 150 lah. So you buy 3 rulers, 450. You buy 2 pencil, $1. You add together $1 plus 550 only. But the actual price is $22. Okay, I'll show you now. Rehana, you okay, Rehana? You can see, right, the video now. You can see what I'm doing. So now 1 ruler costs the same as 3 pencils. So pencils is cheaper. We draw one pencil, 1 unit. Ruler, 1 ruler is 1, 2, 3. And now how many rulers you have? 3 rulers. So I draw, that's 1 ruler, 2 rulers, 3 rulers. And pencil, there's 2 pencils, so I draw 1 more down here. So altogether 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 units is equal to $22. 11 units, $22. 1 unit, 22 divided by 11 is $2. So 1 unit is $2. So 1 pencil is $2.
I take 22 divided by 11. I got 0.5.
What? Yeah, 20, you take now you got confused. You use your calculator. 11 divided by 22 is 0.5. 22 divided by 11, you get 2.
I got different one like that.
Sure.
No, yours. Yeah. Okay, we finished already. So 22 divided by 11 is 2. You take 11 divided by 22. So inshallah, we meet again lah on Wednesday. Okay, you all watch your video. Okay. I got to rush off. You take care of yourself, okay? Sophia's battery mati.
Bye.
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 Bye.